Hi, it's Matt here. Welcome to this 100% free course on how to build an online income stream selling on Amazon, specifically with the online arbitrage business model. Now, I love this business model because it's super simple to get started. The failure rate on this business model is extremely low, which means if you actually do this business model and actually follow this process, the chances of you actually making money and actually building a legitimate income stream are extremely high compared to most business models online. Like, the success rates are through the roof. Now, I can't promise you any money, and I wouldn't do that. But what I can say is, look, thousands of people have been through our training and used our tools and used this system to make legitimate income online. Now, whether that's a little bit of income or a lot of income is totally up to you. But I just want to say massive congratulations to you for taking the first steps necessary to making a different future possible for yourself. If you're looking for time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom, then you're not going to get it in the traditional 9-to-5 route. Now, I'm not saying the traditional 9-to-5 route is bad or anything like that. The beauty of this is you can do this in your spare time. If you've got kids and family that you're looking after, if you've got a job already, or whatever your situation is and circumstances are, you can legit do this business. You can start selling on Amazon using this very system that I'm going to walk you through. And all you got to do is go through it step by step at your own pace. Don't worry about keeping up with me or anything like that. Ultimately, this stuff has worked for years and it's going to continue to work for years. But at the same time, if you want to create change, if you're not happy with the way things are, if you think that your life could be better in some way and maybe adding an extra income stream could help that, one that you can run from anywhere, location, time, and financial freedom focused business model, then this is it. Beginners do really well with this business model. So you don't need to be a veteran in the game. You don't need to have sold a whole load of stuff online, whatever that is. You don't need to. You can get started right here, right now with this course, and you'll legit, I don't know if it'll take you a week or a month to see your first sales, but if you follow this process, you will make sales on Amazon. And that is the start of building something that in the future could grow as big as you want it to, or keep as small as you want it to too. It's totally up to you. So congratulations for taking action. Go through this course, enjoy the course, make notes, implement as you go if you like, or just use it as a research tool the first time and then go back through it and go over it, whatever you want to do. But yeah, really happy to have you here. Super happy to see you moving forwards, and I look forward to teaching you the online arbitrage business model. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.